Good morning. Take your workbook, children, all of you. Open page number 10. Okay, children. See, children, here bubble trip. Bubble trip. Take your workbook. Open page number 10. This is your English class, children. Bubble trip. Okay, see. Have imaginary bubbling time. Draw, illustrate, or write the ways in which you can enjoy with bubbles. Okay, children, here draw a picture. Bubble, bottle. See, children, like this only have to draw ma. First draw like this. Again like this. Okay, children, draw as you like ma. Next, draw neatly. Bubble, bottle. This way small bubbles are coming. Small bubbles are coming like this. Yes or no, children? Already know this is? You like this? Very good. Now we have to write down some points. In which situation you enjoyed a lot. Write down, children. I, capital I, finger gap, BLEW, blue. Give again finger gap A, finger gap BUBBLE, bubble. I blew a bubble. Finger gap ITH with MY, my. Give again little finger gap like this. Okay, children. Next, start writing COUSINS, cousins. Next line, ON, on, MY, my. Give finger gap, children. BIRTHDAY, birthday. Next, give again little finger gap. P down letter. ARTY, party. PARTY, party. Full stop. Again give index finger gap after full stop. Yes or no? You already know it. Very good. Start writing capital WEVENJOYED, enjoyed. If you have place here, write here, children. If it doesn't have place, draw another line like this. Right here. A lot, A-L-O-T, lot. Okay, see, children, see here. I blew a bubble with my cousins in my birthday party. We enjoyed a lot. Okay, children. Next one, children. Sima, fill in the blanks with appropriate verbs. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. See, children, here my mother dash delicious food. In this blank, what is the answer, children? Very good. Cooks. Write down, give little finger gap starting Write down children. Small c O-O-K-S. Cooks. C-O-O-K-S. Cooks. Second blank. They dash to school every morning. They dash to school. S. They go to school. G down letter ma. Afterwards O. G-O. Go. They go to school every morning. Next one. I dash my teeth daily. I dash my teeth. S. Brush. Give little finger gap starting. Write down small b. Are you writing? Very good. R-U-S-H. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. I brush my teeth daily. Next one. He dash chocolates very often. He dash chocolates. S. Eats. E-A-T-S. Eats. He eats chocolates very often. Next. Fifth one. We dash cricket in the evening. Cricket is playing. Yes or no? Cricket is a game. So we dash cricket in the evening. Yes. Appropriate verb is play. Play. Why? Because all these are action words. So write down children. My mother cooks delicious food. They go to school every morning. I brush my teeth daily. He eats chocolates very often. We play cricket in the evening. Next page ma. Circle the linking verbs in the below sentences. See children, here 8 sentences are there. So circle here. What is the linking verb here? See the first sentence. She is our teacher. Did you identify what is the linking verb here? Yes, very good. Is the linking verb. So circle that is only neatly. Is the linking verb here. Okay children. Come to the next one. We have money. We have money. Here linking verb is yes. Good. Have. Circle this one. Are you following ma? Very good. Next. Third one. He was happy. What is this sentence? Read it first. He was happy. Here linking verb is yes. Was. So circle that was. Yes. Next. Come to the fourth sentence. I am 7 years old. I am 7 years old. In this sentence, what is the linking verb? Yes. Yam is the linking verb. So circle that one only. Next. Left side finished. Right side. Fifth one. They are friends. They are friends. So in this sentence, what is the linking verb? Yes. Are. Circle ma. Yes. Are you following? Yes. Sixth one. It was cold. It was cold. What is the linking verb ma? Very good. Was is the linking verb here. Next. Seventh one. We were in the shop. We were in the shop. In this sentence, where is the linking verb. Circle it. Next. The dog has no tail. That dog has no tail. Here linking verb is has. Okay children, see here ma. What are the linking verbs here in these sentences? Is, have, was, am, are, was, were and has. Okay children, come to the next one. Use one or two words to form a sentence. Make as many as you can. Okay? Use one or two words to form a sentence. Using one or two words, write a sentence. Okay children? Here one sentence is given. See. I hoped on a star to pop a bubble. The tree looks beautiful from here. Okay children, see here beautiful. Next here star and bubble. Using these words form or make a sentence and write here. Okay, next. Start writing. I. Take your pencil children again. I. Give little finger gap. J down letter, U, M, P down letter, E, D. I jumped. Give again little finger gap. Write down F, R, O, M. From little finger gap, T, H, the. I jumped from the. See children, here airplane is there. So write down airplane spelling. A-I-R P-L-A N-E airplane. Give little finger gap and write down here. If you have space here, write here. If it doesn't have space, write in next line children. Write down 2. Next line. S-O-A-R, soar. Here see children, soar. Spelling is there. S. Very good. Write down soar. In next line. S-O-A-R, soar. Give little finger gap. L-I-K-E, like. Give little finger gap, A-N, yan. Little finger gap, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Okay children, I jumped from the airplane to soar like an eagle. Here, airplane and soar are the words we are using here to form a sentence. Yes or no? Okay, understood? Like this only how to write down second sentence. Okay. Capital I. Give little finger gap. R-I-D-E, right. Little finger gap. T-H-E, the. Little finger gap. C-A-R, car. Again give finger gap with. Again give finger gap, full finger gap, S-P down letter ma, S-P-E-E-D, speed. See children here, I ride the car with full speed. See children here, ride is there. Yes, I ride the car with full speed. Next, third sentence. Are you understood ma? Are you following? Yes. I, capital I. Give finger gap here. Drown. D-R-O-W-N-E-D. Drown. S-H-I-P, ship. P down letter, F-L-O-A-T-S, floats. 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 ON. THE the. WATER. Water. See children here. Float. Float is word is there. A drowned ship floats on the water. I drowned the ship floats on the water. Using this word only, how to write sentence. Okay, finish that one. Next sentence. I, capital I, write neatly. You little finger gap here. Small WILL, will. I will. HOP, hop. Like. LIKE, like. RABBIT, rabbit. RABBIT, rabbit. See children, here hop is there. Yes or no? Using this word, I am writing here a sentence. See, I will hop like a rabbit. Next. Capital T, H, the. STARS, stars. STARS, stars. SHINE, shine. BRIGHT, bright. Give little finger gap ma. Word after, give little finger gap. IN, in. Next. TH, the. NIGHT, night. NIGHT, night. See children here, the stars. The star word is there here. Yes, the star shine bright in the night time only. Yes or no? The stars shine bright in the night. Like this, you have to use the words and make sentences like this and write neatly children without any mistakes. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you children. Bye.